Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer from crypto.com to your Moonshot app. So first thing you need to do is open up your Moonshot app and then you have to click on this holdings option from the bottom of your screen. After that, you will be able to see this similar screen. From here, you have to click on this deposit button, and then on the screen you have to make sure that in this drop down menu you have selected this crypto option, and then you will be able to get your USDT address or Solana. So you just have to click on this copy to clipboard button, and then you have to open up your crypto.com app and then click on this accounts option from here. Then you have to click on this crypto wallet, and then on the screen you will be able to see all of your cryptocurrency that you currently have in your account. Now from here you have to make sure that you have select this option USD coin, because Moonshot currently support only this cryptocurrency that you can transfer. So just select USDT coin from here, and then simply click on transfer button, and from this pop-up menu click on withdraw, and then this another pop-up window will appear. From here click on external wallet. After that you just have to click on plus icon, and then this window will open up. From here click on wallet address, and you just have to select the network type as Sol from here, and then paste the wallet address in this area and enter your wallet name and click on continue, and then your wallet address will be added here. You just have to click on this withdraw button right next to your wallet address. Then this might show you this screen. Click on confirm and continue, and then you just have to enter the amount in your local currency, how much you want to transfer, and then click on withdraw. And lastly you have to confirm these details, make sure your wallet address is correct, and then you have selected the Solana in your network type, and then click on this confirm button, and then just enter your passcode. And once you do that, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from your crypto.com to your Moonshot. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.